Hello, I'm Justin.
And I'm Paula.
And this is Neuron News.
So what is a neuron, Justin?
Well, Paula, a neuron is a nerve cell that transmits neural impulses and responds to stimuli.
That's pretty awesome.
Apparently there's been an attack on my fellow news anchor, Paula. Let's go to Jenny on scene with an eyewitness.
I'm with the eyewitness on the accident, Natalie Charlo.
Today I experienced a sympathetic system, which is also called fight or flight, and this time it was flight. And I actually caught a video.
Let's see it.
Thank you, Jenny. Now we're going to watch an educational video filmed by some students explaining how a neuron works.
A dendrite is a branch-like structure that receives neurotransmitters from other neurons and passes it down to the axon.
The cell body is a control center that contains nutrients for the neuron, also known as the soma.
Axons transmits a signal down to the axon terminal.
The myelin sheath wraps around the axon and is made of a fatty substance called myelin, which is formed from a Schwann cell. It protects and insulates the axons and allows for faster neural impulse.
An axon terminal transmits a neurotransmitter like acetylcholine from one neuron to another.
The synapse is the space where nerve cells can join together to communicate from one cell to the next.
Sensory neurons are nerve cells that transmit sensory information.
Examples are sight, touch, and taste.
A motor neuron is a nerve cell that is found in the spinal cord. It controls organs, mainly muscles and glands. Motor nerve cells are either part of the somatic or autonomic nervous system.
The somatic nervous system is associated with voluntary control of body movements through the use of skeletal muscles.
The autonomic nervous system controls bodily functions that aren't consciously directed. Examples of this include pulse rate and the dilation and constriction of the pupil.
The parasympathetic nervous system is one part of the autonomic nervous system. It is also known as the rest and digest system or housekeeping system. It can make you calm down by slowing down your heart rate and does other things too, such as controlling your body temperature until it's normal again.
Action potential is a change in electrical impulses in the passage of a membrane in a cell. Now that we have reviewed everything about the nervous system, we are going to do a little game show to make sure that you all know your information.
Alright, so here's how the game works. We ask a question, every player writes down their answer on a whiteboard. First person to get 6 questions right wins. Let the games begin.
What is known as fight or flight? All right, everyone is correct. What is the part of the neuron that receives signals? Hold your boards up. 1 point for everyone. Where is the nucleus located in the neuron? Hold your boards up.
I said both.
Okay, those are all correct. That's 3 points for everyone. No one's gonna lose. What system is involuntary movement involved with? Hold your boards up. Okay, Paula got this one right. Sorry, Jenny and Kyra. Which of these is not a primary sense? Sight, touch, sound, or thought? Okay, you're all right. Good job.
Hold on.
Time.
Okay.
It has to be
Okay.
coordinated.
Okay, but wait. So let's rehearse this.
Justin.
And I'm Paula.
And
This
we have to say it at the same time. This is neuron.
and
news.
this is neuron.
And this
news.
is. So, Paula. Oh my
That was
god.
a late reaction. Wait, what am I throwing?
You're asking me what a neuron.
So
Yeah.
you put the finger. Okay, this is for real, for real.
This-
Ow! It hurts so much. Oh, I'm recording still. Oh.
So what is a neuron?
A neuron is a cell that transmits neural impulses and responds to stimuli.
Oh my.
I'm here to do it.
Today I experienced
Some wind? Some wind? I'm with the I'm with the eyewitness. Okay. Stop.
I went
The cell body is yeah. Okay. Thank
BAM!
Jesus is real.
Axon transmits a signal down to the axon terminal. Axon terminal.
The myelin sheath is made up of fatty substance called myelin, and it insulates and protects the axons and speeds up the neural impulse.